What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be working with, hold on, because I feel like I cannot pronounce this hair company for nothing. I'm going to try. Maybe I'm overthinking it. We're going to be working with Junoda hair, and I was sent this 4x4. Once again, thank God they sent me a regular closure and not that teapot lace crap these companies be sending me. They sent me a real 4x4 closure so I can do the baby hairs. I can make it look like a frontal and all that good stuff. Also, this bob is 14 inches. Now, this is a bob that I could go for. Remember, I was telling you guys in the last video that I like more so of like a, you know, a long bob situation, and this is a 14-inch bob, and y'all, I'm feeling it. Now, I tried to do the no baby hair look, but I don't know, it just wasn't, yeah, I just couldn't get jiggy with it. I don't know, it wasn't hitting. So you guys know I had to add in the two famous baby hairs, and now this look is giving what it's supposed to give. You see the bob is flowing as if I just got a blowout. It's giving body, it's giving bounce, it's giving natural, it's giving everything it's supposed to give once again. I would definitely recommend this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. The same exact wig. The link will be down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.